Okay, so here's where the bike landed. I'm gonna count out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thank you, brother.
No problem, no problem.
Look, I got me water from my new buddy Royal. So I'm gonna say 22 3-foot steps. That's what's gonna be my best guess of where Christie landed. It's where the grass looks like it's flattened down the most. Oh my God, baby. Way up there is where the bike came out of that ditch. Wow. Yep, old Christie gets up, brush herself off. I'm good. I'm all good. I'm like, I ain't good. You need to lay down. So that's it, folks. That's the deal. So where the bike came to stop is 1, 2. There's another big ass gouge in the dirt from the bike. You can see them. 2 of them. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 43-foot steps where the bike stopped. Where she caught air and where the bike landed is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 3-foot steps where the bike landed after she caught air. And then there's just more damage all the way down. You can see where the bike tumbled, slid, flipped. Where it initially hit right here, 1, 2, 3. So like 10 feet, the bike hit, and then it hit here. And if you look closely, you can see the messed up grass. You can see it. If the grass was cut, you'd really see it. All of this is from her motorcycle tumbling and wrecking. And like I said, Christie was up there laying on her back. We need to all thank the Lord for this blessing. I am going to leave this crash site. Yep, she didn't make that corner right there. She come around and shot off into this ditch. Wow. You couldn't have come over here, huh, Christie, and just tried to ride it out, huh? You had to go directly into the freaking ditch in the worst place. Now I know what the cop meant when he said, did you see what she hit? Here's where the bottom of your motor hit this. I'll be surprised if your bike motor ain't trashed. This big scuff right here. And this big scuff is where the engine hit. Wow, babe. And right here the grass is messed up where she came in, flattened out. But you can clearly see her path if you're really looking. You can see where she come off the road. Right here, you can see the grass. You can see it. Right up there. This is where she came in. So she swung into the corner. She came into the corner, but then she didn't make that apex. So at the widest part, exiting the corner, she came across. And you had plenty of time if you'd have kept your head on straight. You had plenty of time. You didn't panic. So you see this truck? So you came into the corner and you went through there. You could have just turned that damn thing. So you came out of the apex, you actually made that part, the tightest part of the angle, but then right there is where you screwed up. You were going too fast, you didn't push that bike over. You didn't trust your tires, you weren't thinking, you were freaking out. I get it, I've been there. And you shot over here. And you left the road right here. And this is where you left the road. Hauling ass. Are these your papers? No. Yep. So you left the road. You came through here. And that's the ditch you saw when you said you saw the ditch. You weren't lying. You came down into here. And you shot up this bank out there. And then your bike landed here. And all the wreckage of the bike, wiping out all these grass marks. The bike tumbling, sliding, gouging. And right there the bike hit. And then you were down there. There's this chunk of grass I took off her motorcycle. I'm leaving. I've seen enough.